Hello everyone, and a very good Monday morning to you all. Hope you've had a great weekend. Here we are again at the start of a new week, making the best of working from home and sharing this virtual assembly together. Although instead of ending a week together, we're beginning it and looking forward to all that lies ahead. It's certainly not as good as gathering together in school, is it? But it's the next best thing. And the advantage of being at home for assembly is that we can sing again. So let's start our assembly this morning with a favourite. This time round your family knows our songs, so they'll be able to join in with you too. So let's gather round and sing as loudly as we can. Let's cheer ourselves up and our neighbours with "Welcome everybody." And don't forget the actions too.
We are together, now we can begin. The youngest and the oldest, the only child, the twin. Some who are feeling left out, and some who are feeling in. Gathering in this place. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here, gathering in this place. Here we are together, joining in this song. Even those who feel that their singing's not that strong. And as we sing, may every person know that they belong, gathering in this place. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here, gathering in this place. Here we are together, with our hopes and fears, bringing many feelings, our laughter and our tears. And now it's time for everyone to tell the world we're here, gathering in this place. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here, gathering in this place. Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here. 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 Welcome everybody, it's good to see you here, gathering in this place.
Good job. I'm sure I could hear you from here. Well, I hope you're all well, you're keeping well, and you've had a lovely festive break. You know, we miss being in school, but hopefully this will just be for a short spell of time this time round, and that before too long we can all be back in school again together. Last term, we did a lot of thinking about our school value of responsibility, and it strikes me that now is a time where being responsible is absolutely vital. The MPs and ministers and officials in charge of making decisions about our country are having to be responsible in making rules again to keep us all safe. And we all need to take our responsibility seriously in following these rules. Stay at home is the message for everyone again to stop the virus spreading. We need to keep washing our hands, and if we need to go out, we've to wear our face coverings and to keep our distance from other people. All of these are responsibilities we share together to keep ourselves and others safe. But you know, we've also got personal responsibility while we're away from school to do all we can in our learning. So it's really important to check in with your teacher each day and to see what you can manage to do from the lessons and tasks that they're providing. We hope it's a bit easier and a bit more fun this time round to use the videos that your teachers are creating to teach you. And we've been so impressed with how many of you that have been logging on and working so hard already. Your positive attitudes are shining through, and I loved seeing some of the things you've been getting up to and you've been sharing with us. And a bit later on, we'll see some of those things that you've been working so hard on. But let's stop just now again and sing another favourite song about making the most of every day. Even if we're stuck at home, these positive attitudes that we've got can make a big difference. Push those clouds away and let's sing Life is What You Make It. That was really great to hear that singing. It's one of my favourite songs, and that positive attitude makes such a difference in every aspect we have of life, because another responsibility we have is to look after our well-being. And you know, it's one thing that's really raised my spirits as I've been out and about and around the town, because it's great to see so many people using outdoor spaces when we can. Our pavements, parks and woods have been busy with everyone getting fresh air and taking breaks together. And it's really important while we're away from school and doing our remote learning to have time away from screens as well. Everyone needs breaks from time to time, and the ways in which we're all being expected to work just now puts extra pressure on everyone. Remember, mums and dads have huge extra responsibilities this time too, and they need their rest to recover as well. So that's why this lockdown we've created Wellbeing Wednesday. Wellbeing Wednesday is designed to give everyone a day in the middle of the week to regroup and refresh, and maybe to take some pressure off. Each Wednesday, we'll offer ideas for you to enjoy to help support your well-being. Things you can do offline on your own or together with family members. And none of these things that we provide on a Wednesday will have any requirement to be completed or submitted back to school. It might be that you even just use some of the time available on a Wednesday to catch up on things you haven't quite got round to. Staff are also going to use Wellbeing Wednesday as their non-class contact afternoon. And so each Wednesday afternoon, they'll be offline as they prepare all the things that you need for your remote learning. And we hope that by offering Wellbeing Wednesday, we give you and ourselves the chance to do things differently midweek, to help everyone manage another really different and busy time. Here's another new song that reminds us how important it is to look after ourselves. Join in if you can. Water, rest and exercise, all very, very important to keep us healthy, to keep us strong and to keep our well-being at its fittest peak. Well, while we've been apart this week, we've had some friends celebrate their birthdays. And today we want to wish you a happy birthday, however you celebrated.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well, we hope you really had a happy day. So what's ahead of us this week? Well, we've got some learning opportunities about our own Scottish culture to prepare for our Burns celebrations. So look out for that. And that's always a great time in our year where we learn so much more about Scottish culture, our poetry, our songs. And I know that your teachers are preparing lots and lots of different ways for you to show your learning and so that we can celebrate together in our Burns celebration at the end of next week. But now we've come to the end of this another virtual school assembly, and I've loved being with you all wherever you've joined us from. And to play us out until we gather together again here for assembly in the giraffe den, let's have a look at some of the things you've been sharing with us, some of the things that you've been up to last week in your remote learning time. And remember, be responsible. Keep checking in HD to see what your teachers prepared for you, because this is going to keep your learning going. Stay at home, wash your hands. Remember to use Wellbeing Wednesday to take some time out and to give your parents some time too. Do what you can, when you can. Keep safe, keep well, and until I see you again next time, bye.
Og ég fæ blóðna sig en ég stend alltaf
There's many straight there. Maybe